Hi, I want to show you how to get the App Store back on iPhone. And firstly, if you cannot find it on your home screen, then you can swipe down from top to trigger Spotlight Search. Here manually input App Store, and if it appears, just hold it like that and choose option Add to Home Screen. Another way is to swipe left till the end to find App Library, find App Store from here, and also click Add to Home Screen if you want to add it to your home screen. But if you still cannot see it in your App Library and Spotlight Search on home screen, then maybe it is restricted in Settings. So let's open Settings. And firstly, go in Screen Time and check Content and Privacy Restrictions. If it is turned on like that, then make sure to select App Installations and Purchases. And here, allow installing apps and also allow App Store. You can go in Web and allow that as well as app marketplaces. But important moment is that installing apps, App Store, deleting apps features are allowed. Then you can go back and again in Screen Time Settings, go in Always Allowed and make sure that App Store is in this list of allowed apps during downtime. Then go in downtime and make sure that it is turned off, or at least that you added App Store to always allowed apps. Also, in app limits, if you can see App Store, then remove it from here. And then if you have lock screen passcode, then to confirm each step you need to enter this passcode. And after all of these steps, you should see App Store in App Library or in Spotlight Search. So just bring it back to the home screen. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.